Hello and welcome everyone once again to the videos in this channel. So in today's video, we are going to solve question number 10 of the WAEC 2025 mathematics past question. So it says, Ajoike will be 31 years in X time. If Ajoike, there's a full stop here. Okay, let me put that now. So Ajoike will be 31 years in X time. If Ajoike is 6 years older than Chioma, find an expression for Chioma's present age. Okay, so the first option is 25 minus x. The second option is 30 plus x. The third option is 25 plus x. And the last option is 31 minus x. Okay, so let's solve to get this particular solution. So let's say, let Ajoke's age, let Ajoke's age Look at Joker's age be represented by A. Let it be A. And then let also Chioma's age, let Chioma's age be C. Okay. So if Ajoke will be 31 years rather in X time, that means Ajoke's present age is actually equal to 31 minus X. Right? Because in 31 years it will be x. So we're going to subtract that x from now to get Ajoke's present age. Okay. Now also the expression is saying that Ajoke is 6 years older than Chioma. It also means that Ajoke is equal to Chioma's present age plus 6. Right? So since Ajoke will be 31 years in X time, and this is the expression for Ajoke's current age, and also in relation to Chioma, Ajoke is 6 years older than Chioma. These two equations are the same, so we can equate them to say that 31 minus x is going to be equal to c plus 6. So to find the expression for Chioma's age, it will make c the formula subject in this particular equation. If I want to make it the formula subject, I'm going to take 6 to the left-hand side to have that 31 minus x minus 6 is going to be equal to c. So that c is equal to 31 minus 6 is going to be equal to 25 and then minus x. So option A is the correct answer for this particular question. So based on what we've learned in this video, here's a similar question for you to solve. It says, Tolu would be 40 years old in Y years. If Tolu is 8 years older than Bola, find an expression for Bola's present age. And the options is that option A is 32 minus Y, option B is 40 plus Y, option C is 48 minus Y, and option D is 40 minus Y. To solve this question and put your solutions in the comment section. If you like the video and also comment about it in the comment section. Help me also share this video to your learning colleagues. Without much further ado, I will leave it to it that math is easy. So have a nice day. Thank you.